Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing the work area and isolating the circuit. Shut the appropriate supply at the main or branch, then open the faucet to relieve pressure and drain the line. Once water stops, place a bucket and rag beneath the valve to catch residual. Confirm the Brasscraft push-connect fitting orientation and slide the correct release tool over the pipe. You can feel a subtle detent when positioned. This prevents accidental slippage while you proceed. You press the release collar fully with the push-fit release tool and keep steady pressure. That disengages the internal teeth from the pipe. While holding the collar compressed, pull the tubing straight out. Slow, even force prevents deforming the pipe or the fitting. If the pipe resists, rotate it a quarter turn and pull again, because slight binding often releases with rotation. Make sure you maintain constant collar compression until the pipe clears the fitting to avoid re-engagement. You finish by inspecting the tubing end and the fitting. If the tubing shows bite marks or flats, cut off about 1/4 inch and deburr squarely before reusing, otherwise replace the piece. Clean the fitting port and inspect the O-ring, replace it if nicked. Once reassembled or capped, restore supply slowly and watch the joint for leaks, because a slow drip tells you the seat or tube is compromised. If leaks persist, swap the push fit or call a licensed plumber.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.